Have you ever thought about earning online pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula? Or maybe, you're interested but there's that little fear na baka hindi mag-work, right? I understand that feeling. Because starting something new can feel exciting and overwhelming at the same time. But, here's something reassuring. Hindi mo ito gagawin mag-isa. You're not just trying your luck, you're stepping into a guided system designed to help you move forward with a clarity. So, how does it work? We had a ready-made system. No guessing, meron siyang step-by-step structure ka lang na susundan. Meron ding tools na kailangan mo. You'll have access to helpful marketing tools and automation that support your daily activities kahit wala kang experience, at meron din siyang easy to follow training. Not technical, that's okay because everything is explained in a simple way and also beginner friendly pa. Meron din tayong ongoing mentorship and coaching and support with the global community. You're never alone. I'll personally guide you and you'll be part of our supportive global community. Let me be honest, this is not about instant success. Hindi ito yung get rich quick scheme. This is about learning new skills, growing your confidence, and building something sustainable over time. So, what you gain here is clarity, direction, support. So, how to get started? Simple lang. Watch the pre-webinar. This explains everything clearly in there. No pressure, no obligation, just information. Take your time. See if it aligns with you or no. So, if this resonates with you, feel free to explore. Register on my website, www.dinalinhaplaska.co.uk, or send me a message. Let's talk. No pressure, just a conversation. Bye for now.